Frisco City Hall parking and sidewalks are getting a facelift,
You'll notice an improvement.
but please be patient during the construction. Work started in February to update the sidewalks and parking spaces around the George A. Purefoy Municipal Center.
We're replacing the parking areas and sidewalks all around City Hall. A lot of the parking spaces hold water, 4 to 6 inches. We're going to get rid of all that. Uneven sidewalks, we're going to get everything back to level.
Pavement is original to the building, which opened in 2006.
The age of the pavement, it's starting to kind of deteriorate a little bit.
The work is happening in 3 phases.
We're only doing 1 phase at a time. We're working on the west side, going to the north side, and then the east side. So there's always going to be spots available.
Each phase will take roughly 2 months to complete, but weather can also be a factor.
If we get weather in, they will work a Saturday to try to make up for it.
Visitors will notice parking spaces blocked off and roadways narrowed to give crews room to work.
Everything's getting broken up, piled up, hauled away, recycled. We recycle the concrete. There's going to be concrete trucks coming in to pour the concrete.
The update costs about $1.2 million and will be paid for with bond funds.
Please be patient. Work with us. We do try to do our best out here, so we absolutely take pride in what we do.
Construction is expected to be complete this summer.